is Rima from GuruNanda team. Today, I'm going to talk about benefits of water flossing. Maintaining proper oral hygiene goes beyond just brushing your teeth. One of the most important but often neglected parts of dental care is cleaning between the teeth and below the gum line. Traditional string floss has long been the gold standard, but for many patients, it can be difficult to use effectively. That's where water flossers, also known as oral irrigators, come in. As a dentist, I frequently recommend water flossing to my patients who struggle with string floss, have sensitive gums, or wear braces or dental appliances. So, what are the benefits of water flossing? More effective at removing debris. Water flossers use a pulsating stream of water to clean between teeth and under the gum line. This can help remove plaque and food particles that brushing or traditional floss might miss. For patients with bleeding or sensitive gums, string floss can feel harsh. Water flossers offer a gentle but thorough alternative that reduces irritation over time. If you have braces, bridges, crowns, or implants, flossing can be a real challenge. Water flossers are highly effective at cleaning around these appliances. Water flossing typically takes just 1 to 2 minutes and it is simple to do, making it easier to stick to a daily routine. It is great for people with limited dexterity. For individuals with arthritis, Parkinson's, or limited hand coordination, traditional flossing can be very difficult. Water flossers provide a simple, ergonomic solution. By flushing out bacteria and debris trapped between teeth, water flossers can help reduce bad breath. Water flossing is more than just a trendy alternative to string floss. Whether you are managing gum disease, wearing braces, or just looking for a more convenient flossing method, a water flosser may be the right choice for you. As a dentist, I encourage my patients to find the oral hygiene routine that works best for them. And for many, water flossing becomes an essential part of their daily care. Hope you like this video. Thank you.